Hello friends, welcome to Sapphire Spices. Today I am not going to share any recipe with you, but I am going to share unboxing experience of this cute little blender. It's a original power blender and it's a portable blender. You can charge from USB drive, and I will give all information about this blender. How can you order, how can you get discount. So let's start off unboxing this blender. It's come in different colors. That color really pop, and I ordered pink color. You can see how cute it looks. Wow, see how beautiful it looks. It's very powerful blender. You can crush ice, you can make smoothies, you can make juice. It has 6 sharp blade attachment. You can see, and it's surprisingly quiet. This blender has built-in carrying strap. It has built-in strainer. You can see. So whenever you are making juice of orange and any fruit, you can strain with this blender. So let's start making juice from this blender. First I am making watermelon juice with this blender. I have this chopped watermelon pieces and I am adding in this blender. Water, that's it. Let's see how this blender works. Water is not coming out. See? How nicely it works. You can see. And our watermelon juice is ready. It has strainer attached. Our watermelon juice is ready. Now it has self-cleaning attachment also. So I am adding water, and going to close this lid. So it's clean by itself. And it's done. And you can see it's completely clean. Now I am going to show you how can you order this very cute little BlendJet.
First go to blendjet.com, then BlendJet 1. You can see price, but it's worth for this BlendJet. It has 11,091 reviews and 5 stars. It will come in different colors. You can see the colors: pink, blue, white, sea blue, magenta, black. It will come with 6 blade attachment and rechargeable with USB drive. It's portable blender. How can you get discount? So you have to provide your email ID on your first order, then click on get 10% off. You will get discount code in the email, and that code will provide you 10% off.
So friends, I like this BlendJet and it's very cute, and I like this hot pink color. I will share many unboxing experience with you and of course recipe with you all. So please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So whatever new recipe and whatever new videos I will post, you will get notification. Stay tuned with me. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching.